Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be discussing about 5 career options after LLB. So let's get started. First is litigation. So it is the most common field that law professionals choose after their LLB course, be it a 3-year course or a 5-year course. So every law graduate needs to do an internship under a law firm or a senior advocate. Generally, the internship duration is of 1 month. Once you are done with the internship, it is important to enroll yourself with the State Bar Council, then clear the examination conducted by the Bar Council of India and get your certificate of practice that will make you eligible to start practice in court. You can expect anywhere between 5 lakh to 10 lakh per annum depending upon your qualification, knowledge and internship experiences. So second is higher education. So you can opt for LLM, that is Masters of Law. So it allows you to choose specialization, which will give you the opportunity to become an expert in a particular field. So individual who wants to make their career in teaching generally choose LLM. So, and next is MBA. So, MBA after LLB will create a huge career opportunities for you. So, for instance, MBA in business law gives you a better understanding of commercial laws, and you can expect salary around 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs according to the types of firm you choose to work, and also depending upon your knowledge and experiences and qualifications. Third is legal advisor. So after completing a BLLB or any other law degree, you can opt for a job as a legal advisor. Legal advisors are hired by big corporate companies and individuals. The benefit of being a legal advisor is you can work with multiple clients and earn accordingly. As a legal advisor, your job requires you to give legal advice to your employer. You are responsible to act as an advocate to the government body and other organizations that your client or employer is dealing with. You need to hold strong knowledge about the legal norms followed by different industries and legal restrictions. You are responsible for advising against every proposal or decision made by your client or employer. Fourth is legal journalism. So, legal journalism focuses only on the issues around the world related to law. A lawyer working in this profession simplifies the critical things such as allotment of funds by government bills that are issued every year. So these things cannot be easily understood by the common people. So a lawyer working in this profession can make the common people understand these critical things in a very simplified manner. And to become a legal journalist, no separate qualification is required, but a law degree and a company willing to hire you are sufficient. This is human rights lawyer. So to become a human rights lawyer, the first and foremost thing is to earn a law degree from a recognized law university and to pass the bar exam. You can also specialize in human rights to get a more profound knowledge of the subject, and it will give you more insight into the violation of human rights. As a human rights lawyer, some serious legal experience is required, and it is recommended that if you are interested in becoming a human rights lawyer, you should start interning or working under a human rights lawyer for the sake of gaining experience, or you can work with any other organization which deals mainly with human rights just for the sake of gaining knowledge and experience. Also, law field offers you a lot of opportunities, but it is important to keep your interest and then choose a profession. Lastly, if you found this video helpful to you in any way, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And If you want a part 2 of the same, please do let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you. Take care.